Hi everybody, my name is Gina Garza. I'm the agent with Spindle Group Insurance. I've been in the insurance industry for the past 14 years and I'm here to serve any of your concerns that you may have regarding your insurance policies, claims that you may have, claims that you have had in the past, or concerns or problems that have been brought about with your insurance policy. I'm here to talk about some of the common questions, concerns that have been brought to my attention. A lot of the things are when people are filing claims. What are the correct steps that people need to do whenever they have a claim? There's 3 common claims that do occur: water damage, fire, and if you have a hole in your roof because of a storm or a tree that might have fallen on it. The one thing that the company asks you for is that you prevent from further damages of happening. If you have a hole in your roof, they're going to ask for you to at least put a tarp on it to the best of your ability. If you have a water damage claim, they're going to request that you prevent from the water from spreading from the area that it bursts from to the rest of the house. Water damages are the #1 common claims that occur and the most costly. So that is another coverage that is optional coverage. So please make sure that whenever you do have your insurance policies, you thoroughly go over everything to make sure that you are covered adequately. In the case of a fire, generally, you want to make sure that you are safety first, you and your family. So in the event that something happens and you don't feel that it's sustainable by you yourself, you want to get out of there and you want to use your insurance for the needs that it's there to serve its purpose. In the event that you feel like, okay, this is something that I can probably control, I have a fire extinguisher, maybe I can get it contained, by all means, you want to do what you can to make sure that you eliminate it from spreading any further. And when I mean spreading, I mean for any kind of situation, whether the hole, the fire, and or the water. Those are the 3 common claims that do occur and the steps that the insurance companies will ask you to do to prevent from further damages. Another common mistake that insurance carriers make are whenever you do file the claim, what are the next steps that you have to take? Right now, we're in hurricane season, so everybody's on their toes, making sure that their insurance policies are up to date. Always check your deductibles, but in the time of a claim, you don't want to throw away any of the items that were damaged. You want to take pictures, you want to take videos, and in the event of a small claim, you want to make sure that you possibly contact a contractor before the fact of filing the claim, because when you file the claim, there's no retracting it. It's going to stay on your policy history, and today everybody is shopping for coverage and making sure they're getting the best price for the best of their money. If you file the claim and something happens and they don't pay it because it's under your deductible, it's going to stay on the policy history and it will affect you in the future. If you have a small claim, you know a contractor, get some bids first. But if you know that you've had a substantial claim and the damage is fairly large, by all means, you take the adequate steps that you need to do to contact the insurance company. Always make sure that contents that are damaged or any of the parts of the home, the fence, the siding of what you have that were damaged, you contain those until the adjusters come, because it's important to have proof to prevent the company from saying, oh, this isn't here, this wasn't damaged, this is something that, maybe was already damaged. You always have your proof and you can go back to the pile of trash and the damaged things that you have within that claim so that you can have proof to the adjuster and the insurance company without any issues in the latter. Any kind of questions that you might have or concerns that you may have in the future, we're here to serve you. I serve the Texas area for all insurance needs, questions or concerns that you may have. My team is bilingual and we're here to serve any kind of concerns that you may have. Thank you.